Hi everyone, it's John here again. Just an instructional video of how to clean a Dyson V15 properly, and a fairly good strip down as well. Okay, the first thing that you can do is lift the back filter, twist it anti-clockwise, and it comes out. As you can see, it's fairly dusty, and with the main dust collector, just open it up as per usual. As you see, that's pretty dusty, and as you can see here, there's a little red marker here. What you do is just press that down, and you can take the whole lot off. Since that's fairly dusty on the inside, just get yourself a dry rag and just give it a bit of a wipe down. Just around the rubber seals as well. As you can probably notice, there's a lot of dust popping out, and around the top as well. And as you see, it's fairly clean. Now, since there is a lot of really fine dust that gets picked up by the actual unit, if you haven't got a compressor and a nozzle, what you can use, a normal garden blower, which I've almost forgot. I forgot to get the battery, so what I'll do, I will pause for a second. Okay, I'm back because I just forgot I had it on charge, and it's now fully charged. Now what you can do is just turn on the blower vac. Okay, it's going to be a little bit noisy. So the first thing we'll do, we'll just clean out this area here. I'm not too sure if you're able to see the dust coming off or not. Just the actual main unit itself. A lot of dust sitting all over the inside. Yeah, it sounds like that we've got the bulk of it out, which is quite handy. Now to reassemble everything. Just get your plastic cover like I saw, and what you do is you've got two little rails here which actually meet on the bottom. First couple of times that you might need a bit of a jiggle. There you go, it's in, and just a bit of a tap in, and she's in, and she'll operate as per normal. And with the actual main cover itself, the back fine HESPA filter, which is very handy. Just a bit of a quick inspection while we're here. As you can see inside, it's starting to clog up a little bit. It's getting off white. The brand new ones are pure white, like on the ends. And and as you can see on the inside up on top, it's starting to get black, but it's still in pretty good nick. A brand new one. The actual filters are pure white, so this can probably go for another 2-3 months, 4 months maybe. And when you're putting the thing on, just find where the groove is, turn, drops down, click, and it clicks in, and then off you go, and she's back working again. And as you can see, everything is all nice and clean. There's no levels up, so she's pretty clean. I hope you find this video worthwhile and interesting, and have a great day, and hope to hear from you soon. Bye for now.